By combining the nutrients of an onion with other healthy ingredients, we can create remedies that will effectively fight hair loss and will stimulate its growth. Today's video will discuss onion-based remedies to fight hair loss. If you are new to Remedies One channel, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish new videos daily. Onions have been used as an agent to fight excessive hair loss since ancient times. Their high concentration of sulfurous compounds, in addition to vitamins and minerals, deeply nourishes the scalp, which allows for greater circulation and stimulates growth. If the smell of the onion is too strong and a bit unpleasant for you, it can be combined with other ingredients that will facilitate its application and maximize the results. 1. Onion and argan oil remedy. The essential nutrients in onions combined with the hydrating and repairing abilities of argan oil provide a complete treatment to fight excessive hair loss. Daily use repairs damaged hair and stimulates circulation in the scalp, which aids hair growth. Ingredients: 1 raw onion, 2 tablespoons of argan oil. Preparation: 1. Extract the juice from the raw onion and mix it with 2 tablespoons of argan oil. 2. Once it's well mixed, separate your hair into sections and apply the mixture to your entire scalp. 3. Let it sit for 30 minutes and then rinse it out with your normal shampoo. 4. Do this at least 2 times a week to achieve the best results. 2. Onion and honey remedy. It's well known that the combination of onion and honey provides immune and respiratory benefits, but it's also a great solution for hair loss. Its properties regulate oil production in the scalp and help to retain natural moisture, which will fight the weakening of your hair. Ingredients: 1 onion, 3 tablespoons of honey. Preparation: 1. Cut the onion into various slices. Combine with the honey and mix in a blender. 2. Once you have a paste, apply it to the entire scalp as well as through the strands of your hair. 3. Let it sit for 1 hour and then rinse completely with warm water and shampoo. 4. Repeat 2-3 times a week. 3. Onion and rosemary remedy. Rosemary is a medicinal plant that controls excessive hair loss and promotes natural hair growth. These properties, combined with those of onions, contribute to the reduction of hair loss while leaving your hair shiny and strong. Ingredients: 1 onion. 2 cups of rosemary infusion. Preparation: 1. Cut the onion into small slices and mix in a blender with 2 cups of rosemary infusion. 2. Be sure that the liquid is completely mixed and rub it through all of your hair, including the roots. 3. Let it sit for 40 minutes and rinse with your favorite shampoo. 4. Repeat this treatment 3 times a week. 4. Onion and rum remedy. This ancient remedy that combines onion and rum is an alternative treatment that helps to reduce excessive hair loss and the difficulties of hair growth. Its compounds strengthen the hair follicles and remove dead cells that affect the oxygenation process in your hair. Ingredients: 2 onions, 1 cup of rum. Preparation: 1. Cut the onion into slices and add them to a container with a cup of rum. 2. Cap the container tightly and let the mixture sit for 48 hours. 3. After 48 hours, run the mixture through a colander and massage the liquid through the roots of your hair. 4. Let it sit for 30 minutes and then rinse. 5. Repeat every 2 days. Is your hair losing volume? Choose any of these treatments and incorporate it into your beauty routine to treat it. How you fight hair loss, let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.